We'll guide you through how to speed up a slow motion video on your iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and select the slow motion video which you want to speed up. After you've selected it, go to the bottom and go and click on edit like so. Now, when you go and click on edit, you can go and see the row of options at the bottom, video, adjust, filters and crop. And just above that, you can go and see the timeline and you can see where the lines are close together and far apart. Where they're far apart, this is showing you where the slow-mo video is. So to go and speed it up, all you want to do is go and adjust where the video is put into slow-mo. So what you could do is just drag it like so, each line, so maybe you just want a smaller part to be slow-mo, and so therefore the most of the video now is fast, and then it's only slow-mo for a small part of it, just in that section there. And if you want to go and completely remove the slow-mo, then all you need to do is put these lines together like so, and as you can see, they're now touching, and so therefore there's no slow-mo in the video. So I'll play it through. As you can see, there's no slow-mo at all. So that's it. And then to go and save your changes, press on done in the top right, and it'll go and save it, and then we can play it back through. And as you can see, no slow-mo at all.